Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Stranger Things blanket out there. The Eddie Munson Hellfire Club Fleece Throw Blanket. If you're a fan of Stranger Things and want to bring a piece of Hawkins into your home, this is definitely a must-have. This blanket features a striking black design inspired by the Hellfire Club, Eddie Munson's iconic Dungeons & Dragons group from the show. Not only does it capture that nostalgic and supernatural vibe, but it also offers incredible comfort. Made from premium polyester fleece, this blanket is super soft and lightweight, making it perfect for cozy winter nights or even as a travel companion when you're on the go. Measuring 150 by 130 centimeters, or about 59 by 51 inches, it's the ideal size for draping over your couch, bed, or even wrapping yourself up while binge-watching your favorite episodes. The material is carefully crafted to be durable, designed to withstand regular use without losing its softness or warmth. Plus, it's easy to care for, whether you choose to hand wash or machine wash it with care. The design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about celebrating the Stranger Things fandom in a practical way. Whether you're curling up alone or sharing the couch with friends, this blanket adds a modern and stylish touch to your living space. Its solid black color with the Hellfire Club emblem makes it a subtle yet meaningful addition to any Stranger Things merch collection. This blanket also serves multiple purposes. It's perfect as a bed throw, a cozy layer for camping trips, or just a soft cover to keep you warm during those chilly days. Lightweight enough to carry around, yet warm enough to make a difference, it's versatile for many situations. Overall, the Stranger Things Eddie Munson Hellfire Club Throw Blanket blends fandom flair with functional comfort. It's a great gift for anyone who loves the series or just wants a high-quality, cozy fleece throw for everyday use. Stay warm, stay stylish, and keep the mysteries of Hawkins close with this unique and practical piece. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.